Hi, in this video I'll be showing you this. It's the Neff B3ACE4AG3B single oven. What I want to today is to show you around the oven some of the features and benefits that it offers. Just for a start, I would appreciate it if you subscribe to my YouTube channel, to give it a quick thumbs up. Something that's quite unique on this oven compared to a lot of other ovens in this price bracket from other manufacturers is something called a slide and hide door. Basically that means that when you open the door, it will slide underneath into below the cavity of the oven. Now that is something that is absolutely fantastic, and I must say when we show this to customers, then this is nearly always a winner for people going for this kind of oven. Then when you want to close the door, all you need to do is pull it out, lift it up, and it will shut. This is always going to be an advantage because if you, say, have a small kitchen which has limited access, then getting the door out of the way is always going to be better safety-wise when you're taking hot food out. Let's open the door. On this model you've got 71 litre capacity, and you get two of these wire shelves, as Neff call them. They just pop on there. You've actually got 4 different shelf positions, and at the bottom here you've got a universal pan, so that could be good as a, say, a roasting tin or grilling pan if you wanted to. Also, all of this can be taken out, so for cleaning purposes, once you've taken the shelves out and the universal pan at the bottom, then all of these side parts can come out as well. So if you wanted to, say, wash them in hot soapy water or pop them in the dishwasher, then that's easily done. So you've actually got pop in, pop out controls, so it just makes life a lot easier when it comes to cleaning after you've finished using it. So all you do is once you've popped the button out, you rotate it. So if you wanted to change the temperature on here, then that's easily done. You just rotate it clockwise, which goes from 50 degrees centigrade all the way up to 270 degrees. So it does go a lot hotter than quite a few other ovens on the market. So you've got a really good range of programs on the left hand side here, and I'll just cover these. First of all, you've got something called rapid heating, and what it will do is it will rapidly preheat the cooking compartment without accessories inside. Next one, so this is Circotherm hot air. This enables you to bake or roast on 1 or more levels. What will happen is the fan distributes the heat from the ring-shaped heating element in the back wall evenly around the cooking compartment. Next one, so with this one, this is Circotherm Gentle. This is ideal for cooking selected dishes gently on 1 level without preheating. And essentially what will happen is that the fan distributes the heat from the ring-shaped heating element in the back wall evenly around the cooking compartment. The food is cooked in phases using residual heat. So that's a little bit different to the standard Circotherm hot air program. Next one is Circotherm Intensive, and this is where you can cook pizza or food that requires a lot of heat from below. The bottom heating element and the ring heating element in the back wall heat the cooking compartment. Next program isn't necessarily a cooking program. This is the Easy Clean option, and what this will do, this removes light dirt from the cooking compartment. And as we come around to the other side, so with this one, this is bottom heating, and this is ideal for finely baking or cook food in bain-marie, and this is where heat is emitted from below. As you come round another notch, this is the full surface grill, and with this is ideal for grilling flat items such as vegetables, sausages, or to make toast. And with this, the entire area below the grill element becomes hot. Next option is called Circo Roasting, and this is ideal for roasting poultry, whole fish, or larger pieces of meat. The grill element and the fan switch on and off alternately. The fan circulates the hot air around the food. Next option is the top and bottom heating. So this is traditionally bake or roast on 1 level. This type of heating is especially good for cakes with moist toppings. The heat is emitted evenly from above and below. This type of heating is used to measure the energy consumption in the conventional mode. And then as you come to nearly the top, so with this option, this is the oven light. Now I assume you're thinking, well, why do you need a program for the oven light? This can be ideal for when it comes clean in the oven. So you don't necessarily need any heat on in the oven, but nevertheless you still need some illumination from within the oven that can help you to see where it is dirty or not. Then once you finish using the oven, all you need to do is turn the dial to the top and then just pop it in. A common question I get asked when I'm talking about ovens in my videos is how do I change the clock or set it initially? On this model it's really easy. All you need to do is press the middle button twice. So you've got the clock symbol on the right, just press the left or right button depending on what time you wanted. And so if it was say 12:10, then just carry on pressing it, or you can press and hold it if you wanted to speed it up a bit. And then once you've done that, press the middle button, then it's set. Also using this option on the left hand side here enables you to set the cooking time. So if you wanted to, then you can set the cooking time for a certain amount of time. So if you were, say, busy within the house, and if you decided that you want it to cook for, say, an hour and a half, then you've got that option. Also, you can set it to a certain end time. So if you knew you wanted to put it on at, say, 12, say, for example, to finish at 1 o'clock, then all you need to do is, again, press the button, and within this section here, then you can set the end time as well. At this time of recording, this model is available in 2 different colours. First of all is this really smart colour, a graphite grey. It's also available in stainless steel as well. We have found that over the last couple of years, since Neff introduced this colour, it's gone down really well with customers. Initially, I think we're a little bit hesitant. We're finding a lot of people now are going away from the traditional stainless steel finish and tended to migrate towards this kind of colour. As far as the energy label on the oven, you'll see here it's an A+ energy rating, also just showing it's a 71 litre capacity, and also you've got some of the energy ratings depending on what you were using within the oven. If you were thinking of purchasing one of these models in either colour, I've provided a couple of links below to show you where to get them at competitive prices. Hope you enjoyed this quick video on the Neff B3ACE4AG3B single oven. Honestly, some of the model numbers nowadays, it's getting more and more difficult to remember them when I'm recording my videos. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video on this Neff single oven. I would appreciate it if you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just give us a quick thumbs up, click subscribe, leave any comments below. Do always ask for comments, whether it's good or bad, about the video. If there's something I've not covered that you want to know about the oven, then I've got it on display at the moment, then I'll hopefully be able to help you. Also, if you have got one of these, not necessarily this model, but if you've got a model like this in the Neff range, let me know what you think about it, because I'd always appreciate the honest feedback. Thanks for joining me today.